Hi, welcome back. Aurum here. Today we continue our playthrough in Wuthering Wave version 3.3, Reverb from the End of the Galaxies. Last time in Wuthering Wave, we continue our Hiyuki point of view in Honami City. While Purging left behind, she encountered the one and only Grand Architect. Yes, Grand Architect. I mean, we know that Grand Architect was curious about the Miko last patch at the end there, but I didn't expect she to be appear like there, like in the Honami in Sonorous. How did Grand Architect is mysterious, the most mysterious character of all Fraxidos, I guess. For the time being, we only have 4. Like, how did... It's funny that because Grand Architect was introduced. I don't know if we heard the name before, but the name Grand Architect was introduced in 2.7. I mean, we seen Grand Architect in 2.7 for the first time. But I think during Prolova backstory, we saw Grand Architect as well, who, using NPC model. My question is, why Grand Architect, which I think one of the leader of the Fraxidos, deal with all of this directly, which is interesting. Not to mention, Luke mentioned the I guess 3 new Fraxidos Overseer, like codename Hydra, codename Siren, and codename Jessica Warasi. But is that for the future? So why did at the end of this story, did Grand Architect something gonna happen to Grand Architect or something? I don't know. Like out of all, I mean, I don't know. I guess it's just them. I guess I call them them because I don't even know what Grand Architect is. But yeah, anyway, Grand Architect talking about something in the past. So they meet with the previous Flaming Sakura, which is interesting, which means the event in Ashinohara, I don't know how many years ago, was caused by Fraxidus again. Fraxidus is doing everything in their power to causing Lamen and creating Crenodian. Why? I believe I can fly. And what? I believe the reason being, I mean, if I remember correctly, the reason they do all of this simply because they want to see evolution of humankind or something. I don't remember the exactly detail. Not to mention, I remember Grand Architect exists during the thing. I just realized that the whole spaceship, not spaceship, space station, they were there back then as one of the researcher. Like, what the? Grand Architect, who are you? But I'm 100% sure they are native of Solaris, unlike us, an alien. Anyway, what I was like, so yeah, after that scene with Grand Architect, I don't know if we're gonna do something more with Grand Architect there in Hiyuki, but after that scene, Hiyuki end up in something like a memory of Honami City, which I assume that is Grand Architect doing, because the time changed from night to day, and then we still in that scene, we saw her sister. So at first I thought, when Grand Architect explaining thing about the event in the past, I thought it was something that happened long time ago, which in turn, okay, it's something to do with the sister. But then again, we meet with the sister, and then, oh, wait a minute, it's about the sister. Not to mention the Flaming Sakura Miko currently is the sister in that scene. So Hiyuki is still just a Miko. It's interesting because remember in the event with Platya, she mentioned that Hiyuki is special in a sense that I don't know what exactly. I don't record that scene, so I forgot why Hyuki is special. I thought Hyuki was the only Miko, like different. But then again, we're from this. At least when we talk with Gyokuro, it seemed like this is generational. The whole thing with Flaming Sakura Miko thing, and it's family based. I think not even though technically I don't know. Gyokuro and Hyuki look different. How are they a sibling? I don't know. Maybe when they said family, just because of they both Miko, maybe they're not from the same. I don't know. We don't know. We will see more, I guess, about that in after we go to the next scene, which is the snack shop, I believe. But yeah. But before that, if you look at the right corner screen of my phone, I mean on the screen, you can see something. Yes, the drip market is dropped technically yesterday. I didn't make a video yesterday. I'm busy, so this is the day after. And I guess I remember in part 2 or part 3, this is part 4 I think, I say something, I will not fall for Hyuki yet because I believe something gonna happen in maybe next patch, and I wasn't sure also because of the whole Chisa thing, but apparently what people think, what people assume is right. The collab happening, an actual collab by the way, not the skin thing we got from our bike, for our bike. Yes, and it's with Cyberpunk. So it is confirmed then next patch will be New Federation, because you know the whole team with Cyberpunk, Night City, kinda similar to, in my opinion, at least based on what Lina said during Act 1. Is this the Cyberpunk era, the New Federation? We'll see next patch. But what anyway, I think I'll talk about it when I read the description of this character, because I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna go to Twitter to see what this is all about. How many character? I mean, we saw the image here. I only saw Lucy and Rebecca, I think. Is that the only character? I don't know. Is that not David, the main character? We don't know yet. Maybe there's more. I don't know. This is the next day, but they don't release another one. Not to mention. Anyway, what am I saying? So yeah, let's just do that, shall we? Let's go to the Twitter here that I prepared. What's this? No. Where is it? Yes, that to see. Let's start from the bottom one. Oh, they have video. Okay, I will do check video. I mean, I already prepare for that. I didn't realize they post the video on Twitter, but I will watch that on the website instead because I wanna watch both version. Well, I only know both channel. I think they have also released the one for Chinese and Korean. Maybe we will see different sound. I don't know if they voice Lucy and Rebecca yet, because I watch. Well, I didn't watch. I actually didn't watch the Edge Runner series. I just react. No. I watched the other react to the series. So technically, I know the story, but I didn't directly watch it. I just seen clip of the people who react to the show, and all of them react. I mean, all of them seeing the anime. I guess technically it's anime because made by Japanese studio. But then again, you know what I mean. Anyway. English voice, pretty much English voice actress, I guess, because Rebecca and Lucy. So I don't know if in the video we will watch right now. Yes, I will watch this right now. Even though technically this is not the. I usually watch the video on YouTube during extra, but this is exception because collab, one time only. Yeah, I don't know if they're gonna. So I don't know if the anime, the Edge Runner have adapt in different language besides English, because I also listened to the English one. I think they in English, right? Am I? Let me check before we read. See the illustration of the character here? I don't remember. If I remember, they are in English. Let's see, Cyberpunk, Edge Runner, VA. Yeah, let's see, IMDb. It's probably showing the voice actor for every character. Yes, every single cast here in Japanese, director and everything, right? Oh no, the writer is not. I mean, obviously, they're from. Well, depending on edit. Yeah, let's see. Voice actor, voice actor. Oh, 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 oh. It's not. I mean, no, no, no. It has English. Okay, so I wonder if is this originally English or originally Japanese, because Lucy here voiced by Amy Lowe, and in Japanese. It's funny that in Japanese it didn't say Japanese version. It just the only one, the only time they said English version. The other one doesn't. So I guess originally it was in Japanese then. Okay, I was mistaken. Let's check which one come first, because I believe I watched the reaction at least back then in when they released it on one of my of view of my favorite reactor. So which one come first? Oh, it was made in Japanese originally. Okay. Let's see. Let's hear this random post on Reddit. Okay, so there's still okay. So basically, both, I guess. Yeah, and I think people also like the English one. Okay, so yeah, especially the setting. I feel like I don't know. The Cyberpunk is set in Night City, which is I played it in English, so I maybe a genre better in. Anyway, never mind. I will ignore that. So basically, they have a VA for Japanese as well. It's Aoyuki. Okay, interesting. Anyway, let's react. Let's read. Let's see this illustration for. Let's start with Rebecca here. Rebecca. I was saying Rebecca using the One Piece pronunciation because Rebecca. Anyway, ignore what I said. Come on, edit. Come on, need to eat something? Okay. That's the only thing she said. The collaboration between Altering Web and Cyberpunk Edge Runner is arriving soon. Which is, this is probably 3.4 because the Drift Market. With the closing exclusive 5-star Senator Rebecca. Oh, okay. She's free. Interesting. Again, even though she's free, she probably have the banner, so we can get the copy for her, which means if this is one time only, the only time we can get her, the shop will only one time as well. I should farm a lot now this patch. I have a lot to farm. Let's see see more. Okay, nothing. Let's see the illustration here. Let's zoom in. Rebecca, Cyberpunk, one way. She she using her iconic weapon. Interesting. She look exactly like Rebecca. Interesting, the animation. I wanna see the 3D version of this. I mean, we will like right now after this. See the setting here. I don't know. You feel like I don't know. New Federation, maybe new area. I don't know. Okay, so it's free, huh? A 5-star resonator, okay. What element is she? I mean, we're gonna see that on the other tab. Let's see, now Lucy. Don't make the name for yourself by how you live, but by how you die. Okay, Lucy. Again, some description for that text. Let's see, Lucy. Yep, that's pretty much Lucy. Is the background technically nice city? I think that's city, not New Federation or something. The outfit is, well, default outfit for Lucy. Interesting. 5-star resonator. I don't know what element yet. I mean, we're gonna see it over here. No, not Chisa. Yes, Rebecca. Element. Yo. Electro pistol. Okay. I guess the signature weapon will be her own gun. So, Havoc. I mean, Electro. I was saying. The image. Why it's Electro? Why am I saying Havoc? So, Electro pistol. Interesting. Interestingly enough, I don't have Electro DPS. So, if she... I don't know. If just Lucy and Rebecca will be the same. Like, we'll see. I really wish we have David, so we have a 3 combo, 3 party. But I guess only them, unless they're gonna release the deep market again tomorrow. Maybe with someone that I assume gonna be in 3.4, the one who's supposed to be a partner for Hiyuki, which I think she was supposed to be released with Sigrika, but they delay her for some reason. Anyway, pistol, Electro, and I believe, okay, Lucy, she also a pistol, and Spectro, interesting. Let's see the detail for Rebecca first. I mean, this is 3D model still. Yep, it's pretty much Rebecca with a giant hand. Okay, hopefully Adam Smasher. I mean, I don't know. Anyway, I don't know how the collab gonna work, and I don't know how the story gonna be. And is this in New Federation, new area, new map? I don't know yet. Pistol Spectro. Well, yeah, Lucy look like Lucy, yeah, pretty much. Interestingly, it's just maybe the moment I saw the design, they look exactly like the anime. My point is, not my point. What I realize is the design of Edge Runner is not really that complicated compared to Wuthering Wave on character design. So it feels very simple, if in my opinion, compared to the playable character. And it's just my guess. Will they have a skin when they release? The one which, unique to Wuthering Wave skin, in the sense that they will have different outfits that are original for the Wuthering Wave collab, in which case they will add more detail maybe on the outfit, because the outfit in Edge Runner is not that detailed. I mean, of course it's animation, so because of that they don't really use that much detail on the character, which makes sense. So we'll see. I will see the 3D first before we judge. I mean, we know it's simple by the 2D here, but and that's it, I guess. Yep, that's it for Rebecca and Lucy. No David. I expecting David at least. Again, 3 character team. But if both of them are the PS, then I don't think they're in the same. Well, depend. I have the team, Changli, Lupa, and Bran technically in the same team. They both kind of like DPS as well, so it's not hyper carry format. I wonder if they work like them, like Bran, like the swap thing. I don't know what you call them. But anyway, that's all for this Twitter. Now I will watch the reaction. But because I am afraid when I do the reaction, I need to full screen for reaction. So I will go in first. Yes. And then after I go in, we will watch, and hopefully when I go back to the game, we will start in the game. I mean, what I'm saying, I will start in the same location as we left off, because again, if I reset, then it's gonna. Oh, never mind. Why am I doing here? Let's teleport. I forgot. The last time I did was uh, fighting that to just spend stamina. I don't have anything. I don't know what to do with stamina yet for today at least. Yeah. So let's stay. Let my character stay there for a second. Now let's open the video. As you can see there, 1 day ago. So this is the English one. What I will do with this is I will first open in the new tab. Now let's move to different version of Wuthering Waves. Okay, we have Korean as well and Japanese. Let's go to Japanese. Yes, the Chinese one don't have a YouTube channel. It makes sense. Probably on Bilibili. I just wanna see. I wanna hear the voice. So I wanna see different version of this character. Will they have, you know, different VA? I mean, obviously, right? I mean, for English and Japanese with Persimat will be the same VA, I think, hopefully. But for the other one, I don't. Well, unless they dub Echirander in Chinese and also Korean. If not, then maybe only Japanese and English the only option for VA. We don't know, because again it depends on because of collab. Whoa, move on. Hello. This happened a few times. That's why I use tab. So I will not. Yes, I will make full screen after this. Wait, this is Korean? No, this is Japanese. I wanna see the Korean, so I need to go English first because apparently English is the one who attached with Korean. One and new tab. Okay, it's all open. So now we use full screen. Hopefully when I go back to Wuthering Waves, it will be stay in the game. Let's watch the English first. Good morning, Solaris. Whew.
Good morning, Solaris!
Oh, the 3D model. Okay, yep. It's more simpler than the actual. See, compared to Wuthering Waves character. How did? Okay, I just heard of something. They in Laharoy, not New Federation. Interesting. So, I mean, makes sense, I guess, because of the technology. But again, I feel like New Federation is the best fit for them. But okay, sure. So next patch will be still Laharoy, I guess, but collab. Maybe, I don't know. I mean, I should get.
But that doesn't mean some peeps won't try. So party like there's no tomorrow. From the looks of
Okay, that's look like Rebecca, yeah.
Just as the Mecha Scouts at the training grounds. Talk about ruthless. Think they could teach us a thing or two? According to Rover, a name needing no introduction, Solaris is new.
Yeah, the design kind of like
Once their work here is done.
simple, in my opinion, compared to Wuthering Waves character.
Attacking students.
See, even linear too, like a lot of detail on the character. But I mean, that's because of the original design like that. So
Is the Netrunner has her sights set on the moon.
the moon.
One DC problem. She'll have to
Hey.
first.
David? Is this a hint? We're gonna see David? Maybe tomorrow, the market? I don't know. His jacket. You see the face? I mean, not the face, the hair at least from the back. Interesting.
This has been your man Stan. Join me for a dream that'll never
Anything?
end.
They didn't say anything, by the way. Okay, enough. So 2026 June, which is the next patch. Okay, so it doesn't say anything, which means if I go to the other one, they also say the same thing. Let's check how look like. I mean the narrator, not the narrator, the announcer here.
Good morning, Solaris!
Yeah, it's just
この世界にエッジランナーたちが来てか
I
ら
don't know who. See
30
the
時間が過
character.
ぎた
Yeah, so in Lahairoi for
我
some
々が
reason.
実験台にならずに済んだのは
Okay.
ルシア学園長が動いてくれたおかげだなま外野はよだれ垂らして狙ってる
I wonder if David will be playable or not. Maybe I don't think he an NPC.
もうすでに盛り上がってるみたいだな見てみろよメカスカウトはブザーなスクラップだエッジランナーたちも容赦なく暴れ
I believe we will have skin for Rebecca and Lucy. Much more detailed skin that are original for the collab, I guess. We will see.
一方でナイトメア残党がまた学生を襲ってるそうだ我らガキどもの無事を祈る
But yeah, they look exactly like the animation. I mean, it is 3D, but
なあそれと
yep.
ネットランナーのジョーちゃんが月を探してるらしいがおいおい一体全体どれが本命
Moon, there are Moon there for a second there.
毎度おなじみスタンがお届けしたぜ
Yeah, that's David. What do you mean? Why David? Is there will be part 2 of the collab or something? CD Projekt Red. I think the Korean also the same. They don't say anything. I mean, the character didn't say anything. So, I mean, I think we're gonna have more video of this collab later on. Maybe during the live stream when they talk. Because
Good morning. This is Zulagis. It has already been 30 hours since the A runners appeared. Yeah. Thanks to Prince.
wait a second. Something weird here. Why why this one got dubbed in English? That's weird. Korean, what happened? No wonder it sounds weird. Let's see once again. Hello?
좋은 아침입니다. 솔라기스.
Yeah, this is Korean.
엣젤 러너들이 나타난 지 벌써 30시간이 지났습니다. 루실라 교장 선생님 덕분에 우리
So why Lucilla doing yeah, what was wrong?
면한 것 같군요.
How they are, I don't know, I wonder how they end up in Solaris.
선을 넘을 테지요. 그러니
Portal
즐겨둡시다.
or I don't know. In the story, technically this is supposed to be in, I don't know when, because we know what happened at the end.
아주 무자비하게 쓸어버렸습니다. 한수 배울 좋은 기회일지도요. 저 유명하신 박람회
Netrunner thing. I don't know what
우리 새 친구들은
we're gonna.
세계로 돌아간다네요.
I still believe
악몽 전상들은 또다시 학생들을 공격해온
New Federation will be a perfect setting for them compared to Laheroi, but I guess they decided to do this. Yeah, they decided to do this in Laheroi for some reason. I don't know why. But sure, we will see. We'll see. And yes, their model is a simpler design compared to the Wuthering Wave one character, but makes sense because the actual model technically look like that. Which mean skin everyone. But yeah. So that's about it. I'm moving to Wuthering Wave. Hopefully it's it's reset. See, that's what I was afraid of. Let's exit this. What is that? This? Whoa. Ignore that. That's what I mean. Well, hopefully you guys didn't see what I see there. I mean, they technically blur, so it doesn't matter, but still, this is what I mean. If I do full screen, I will reset, especially a heavy game like this. If it's just a simple like YouTube, you can do multiple tab with different, but for a game, it's different. Anyway, It's all for the deep market and also the collab in 3.4 then. Yeah, I wonder why they didn't release Lucilla. If we know they will be, if they know they will be collab in 3.4, that means Lucilla will be 3.5 or something. Why Sigrika not with Lucilla back then in 3.2? Something wrong with Lucilla or something? I don't know. But anyway, let's just continue the story. Is there any new wave line? Oh, just the daily, I think. Oh, it's faster to do it by touch screen. Yeah, only Milo. So let's just go to... Nope. Let's go to the collab. Wishes in the bell. I wonder if I reset. Okay, so I left. So last time when I leave in part 3, I left story unfinished in the Hanami City. So when I go in again, I restart from the beginning. Technically, I still in the beginning, but this time I'm technically further away in the story. So I wonder, baik. I wonder if I'm start from the beginning or continuing thing, because I have something like this before when I do main story in 2.7, I believe, and I'm not starting from the beginning. I'm starting from the last scene that I did in that. So let's see. Yeah, I see this word, Perfect Honami. This is the Honami. Is this the illusion by Architect, Perfect Honami? I wonder. Ah, well, why did last time when I do something like this, I'm continue the story. I not reset from the start. Thankfully, as you can see in the top left corner, I have the magic button. Escape. Okay, let's skip all of this up until we go to the snack thing. I mean snack shop. Hello guys. I know you. Time to purge you in an instant. Purge. Done. Whew. Hello, Sorobur man. Why? Okay, again, last time when I do to this, they didn't restart from the beginning. This is different for some reason. I don't know why. Back in 2.7 when I did the same thing like this, it's fine. Bye. So yeah, look at this. This is dark, right? When we meet with Architect over here, the area changed. So what if I didn't talk to you actually? Why we just move? I just realized that. Blah blah blah. See, to uncover the truth, Hyuki stepped through the portal. So basically, yeah, this is the illusion that made by Architect. The past. I mean, obviously this is not the present because we saw another Hyuki talking with Gyokuro, but you know what I mean. What I find interesting is the outfit that she wear when she talk with Gyokuro, the same thing as this one. I thought this one is the future Hyuki, like the past. I don't think she wear the same outfit. Like that was like 30 years ago. How you still wearing the same thing as 30 years ago? And also, I saw the image on Twitter when I was scrolling for the market. I saw she wearing different outfit. There's one of the outfit that look like a Miko outfit. I feel like that outfit was supposed to be the one in that scene with Gyokuro. That's just my opinion. Anyway, let's go continue the actual time. We're gonna go. What am I saying? Continue the actual time. So yeah, let's go to this next shop. With the is that the predecessor of you know, enter. If the whole is the whole thing, what the this is not the same. Anyway, why teleport? So if the whole segue for Hyuki took place in this one-time area only, then every time I end the video without finishing the area, I will start from the beginning. Hopefully we stop this area soon. Is this a studio? Huh. What's going on? I see a light. Where is light? What's that? For a second I saw something. Maybe just rendering. Never mind. What are you trying? Yeah, what are you trying to do here? Why are you so interested in Hyuki? Maybe because of her ability could intervene with the whole plan, Fractidus plan. Why she flickering in the screen? Huh? Okay. I just read something. This is Grand Architect. Last time with Lucilla, she did the same thing. The whole thing with story. Is that Grand Architect thing? Telling story? That's kind of like Cristoforo thing, but I don't know. Okay. But yeah, that last time with Lucilla, they also do the same thing. I wonder if the architect is the director. Oh, okay. Anyway. What is this? Since last patch? Oh, no, okay. Since a long time ago. Then. What do you mean? How did she able to do that? Hyuki able to peer into the thing, the bell? Interesting. But why? Her forte? Are you just like Lucilla again? A memory type resonator? I don't know. That's me. I mean, Roper. Wait a minute. That's the beginning of the story. Why we saw in that scene? How did you have that image? That's my perspective. Are you the developer? Can you take? That's technically my eyes. How can Architect have the view of my eyes? I don't know. I mean, it's the game, but you know, kind of weird. How the like? That's basically. I mean, this is the cutscene, yes, but again, why they showing the perspective of the player in the cutscene, which is weird because this is as if the architect breaking the fourth wall, in my opinion. But I mean, how do you get the scene Anyway,
漂白者
how do you have that scene? That doesn't make any sense. This doesn't make any sense. I mean, from the game perspective, it makes sense because they have the footage of this. But then again, that's the game, not the story in the game. The character in the game doesn't know that we have this image. Why did Gracie take? Who are you really? Are you developer pretending to be the Fraxidus or something? Like how they have this this. Anyway, it's weird, you know, seeing the thing from. Anyway, see the character, the cutscene that we saw as a player play on the screen, but from the in-game character perspective, that's weird. How do you have that scene again? Gen Architect, who are you? Why you have? I mean, this is the scene. The playable only character see this cutscene technically. Are you the player? Maybe I don't know. What's wrong with Gen Architect? This is confusing.
名式
But yeah, that's the one that I beat with the help of Jian, I guess. I don't know. No. Technically, that's the first time Abu
さあ
appear.
次の幕へ赴く準備をしようか
It's only showing all the scene in Jingzhou. I mean Huanglong, I guess. Technically, it's not Huanglong, it's Jingzhou Huanglong. So, one of the Huanglong city. Enter the next arc. Why are you showing me all of this? All those scenes have nothing to do with Hiyuki,
動揺す
technically.
ることはないひゆきその心に潜む無意識の造母が私とは逆の道へ導いてくれるだろ
Uh-huh.
うその足で道を歩んでこそ我々を理解し認めお前自身の過ちに気づくことができるのだ
What do you mean? Why are you showing my journey? This is still this is Northern Baren something, I forgot the name. This is still Jingzhou area. Why are you showing again? I keep saying why, but again that's weird, right? In-game character seeing the cutscene from the player perspective. That's just weird, unless Gen Architect is weird, because again, Gen Architect is weird.
お前の想像通りだ今週もホナミと同じくかつては名式の脅威にさらされていたただ今週の危機は無事に収束したのだ
そうなった
I mean, obviously, because of
私
ロファル
は他者の功績を否定する気も彼らが払った犠牲を
main
隠す気
character
もない
story,
それは彼ら
the
の
evil will lose basically at the end.
同様に私は
Meanwhile,
お前
in
の
Honami,
欺かない
it's a plot point.
あやつは誠に名式の力を取り込んだ
Well, it's not me. It's Abu. Which I really wanna know who Abu is. Atau in Renacita that was the direction when we talk with Soulkeeper. The whole thing about Abu in Renacita, but no. The only thing we learn in Renacita is that Abu knew. Well, not Abu knew. Daviata knew Abu. So that's all, I guess. Maybe it's a hint still. But only that for after the whole region. But that's normal, I guess. The overarching arc was probably related to
油
Abu.
断してはならぬわらわの後ろに立つのだ
Why are you showing obstacle? Are you gonna watch? Grand Architect, why are you doing this? Are you testing my skill? Maybe I shouldn't show myself here. This could backfire. Now that the Architect seen
確 かに約束通りの切れ味をして
Play style.
おる。ラハイロイでのことが終わり次第、この刀を携えて
Confirm.
足の原へ戻る。
Ashinohara still exists. Only Honami City disappear. So is the next region gonna be Ashinohara or New Federation? I assume New Federation because of the collab and also because every character in so far I see in Lahero talking about New Federation, which I assume New Federation is close to the Frostland area. But then we also have Ashinohara, the thing that I want to see when back then in 2.8. And now the character here also talking about Ashinohara. Now I'm between those two, which one I want to see more? Obviously, Japan. Anyway, what's this? Oh yeah, it's still in Jingzhou. Are we gonna see Renacita? Because Tenardian as well with Leviathan. What?
疑うことはない。これは紛れもなく
Uh,
陰謀だ。
Am
お前
I
が心の
Hyuki?
奥底に封じ
Or who am I?
目を背けてきたもう一つの道。それをこうも赤裸々に突きつけるのだ。これを陰謀と言わずして何という？前へ進むがいい。道は前にしかない。
What if I do this? I'm walking backward. Technically. Anyway. Ah, the door remind me of Renacita. Ah, okay. Door of Unity, exactly. Renacita. This is in the Avelium. No, in first tower. I don't know what do you call again.
と
Yeah, in first tower.
報告書で見た。
in first tower.
ここと同様、
Du-du-du-du.
名式に蹂躙された地。
But is it Leviathan who causing this? I guess it is. We don't really learn. Maybe if I do exploration again, I will learn more about Leviathan before the incident, like what happened between Leviathan and I don't even remember the Sentinel in Renacita because we only seen it once, I guess. What was the name of the Sentinel again? Imperator, yes, Imperator. The event where Imperator, the whole Blessed Maiden thing. In the past, we learned that a little bit, but not as much compared to the present Leviathan.
あまりに高等無形な喜劇だと思わないか？
その報告書には目を通して。
How do you have the image? What is that even? It's 2D image of Cartetia. How? How do we have picture? Again, I keep saying how because we know now at this point. This is pretty much just architect ability, maybe. I don't know.
これは
インペラトルの最後だ。お前が知っている通り、採取でさえ人類の頼みとはなり得なかった。
The fall of Imperator, technically yes, but not really. I don't know. This is because of what happened with Cartetia. After this, Cartetia basically are reborn again in exchange of Imperator small essence that left after the whole thing. Anyway, next. Why did the architect showing us this? Again, I think I know because of the whole Trenodian, but what the connection? What happened in Honami? What kind of Trenodian in Honami that we will see maybe in the future. The more I think about it, Ashinohara will be the same scene again. Why are they doing this? What is it supposed to mean? What is this? Transition not as smooth as I think because of the double backup. Okay, sure, I'm doing this. Yeah, why then? Why not at the beginning? Why not before? Because it didn't exist before, right? Anyway, why are you still using Nifora? I don't know the image. Unless the only thing I can think of, the only reason I can think of that Architects keep using Nifora as the character here, because she will be playable. Because the set mark, the second, maybe the real Nifora still like I don't know. I don't know. Let's just not think about that. Hey, Leviathan. Total skin. How do we have this? Again, I kept saying hope, but this is just... I want to know what happened in Ashinohara. Because the blood demands so... Unless Rover there, it's not gonna work. Because the player character is the one who gonna change the thing, the tide. Wow, you even have the cutscene. How do you have... Who took the picture? Anyway, who took the video? Exactly. Roper. The big hint here. You could. We have the ability, time travel. I just read something. The way Hyuki speak is like the old Japanese Warawa, something like that. Waraja. And you know, if you know, I feel like that's just, I mean, it's not that I know that how the old Japanese sound like, but there's some character who speak like this, which I believe the theme about them was based on, you know, old style, the way they speak. Unless it's different region, not old, but I can make the difference. Definitely not Kansai or something, but I don't know. Yep, this is the final area. Let's see, let me guess. Another cutscene? Never mind. You're testing me, huh? You wanna see my ability so you can counter it later? Well, there's nothing I can do about this because this is gameplay perspective. Oh, I just realized something. when she using this form, she don't use the other blade, so basically not dual handling.
気が早い。終幕はもう目の前だというのに。
What? Bottom? Oh. That's strange.
さあ、行くとしよう。
The setting of the film. That's her. How do you have the 3D image of her? Are you stalker from real life? Hey, you're actually sitting here, okay? What's your goal, Nivora? You want to know? You want to disturb? Because you're afraid Hyuki ability gonna disturb your plan
さて、
with the
感想を
Aleph
聞かせて
one.
もらおうか。
Yes. Question: How do you have the footage?
これを見せた意図はそなたらフラクト氏ですが、あの聖女のような融合を再現したいのか。
This is something that I assume Denia gonna be. She will become Aleph one something resonator or something. I don't know.
そなたの狙いはあくまでもわらわが名式の共鳴者となる未来であろう。
Really? I don't think so. But sure, you have. If you want to think that way, I think Denia the one. But
否定はしない。何しろ、歴代の昨夜の巫女の中でも、鈴を通して名式と絡み合う未来
oh,
を
this
鮮
is
明に
Suju
通した
thing.
者は一人しかいない。
What even is this? And how this? Okay, we'll learn more about Suju, I guess, in the future. Hopefully, when we do something with Ashinohara, considering that I think no, I don't think they have any glossary about Suju yet. Just the bell, something. That's the description if I remember correctly. But see the future entwined with Trenodian. What is this supposed to mean? And what that can be help of if you know the future anyway.
それはお前の才能であり、素質だ。
そのようなものはただの危険な呪いに過ぎぬ。
芦野原の伝説やコレクティブの調査報告で漂白者のことは知っているだろう。
Accuse me, Ashinohara legend. Am I in Ashinohara in the past? Am I one of the legend? From 1,000 years ago, Izanami fall from the sky. And that's is rover in Ashinohara. Anyway, ignore what I said. Because you said Ashinohara legend. I assume we have been to Ashinohara in the past. I mean, I believe we as a rover, as the one before our memory got wiped by ourselves, we pretty much travel all of the Solaris. I mean, in 1,000 years, we have enough time to check every. Not to mention, in 1,000 years, humanity changed a lot. I mean, look at Earth. The year 1,000 is look so much different than 2,000 anyway.
同じ救世主としてお前の彼に対する評
I mean, I shouldn't compare Earth and Solaris because the way they advance is different. If I remember, 1,000 years ago, they already have space station. The what the name of it? Sky Arc. Anyway, moving on. Savior, who's Savior? Are you sure about that? I mean, compared to you, I feel you are stronger, gameplay wise. Lore wise, I mean, obviously, Rover is different.
もっとはっきり言えばよいものを。芦野原で敗北を重ねてきた自分とは違い、
Perfecto.
あのものは完璧な救世主だと。
I can even save my sister. I'm not perfect, but I will after I save my sister. I mean, Amiat, because you know, not sister, but you know.
だが所詮この世に漂白者は2人といない。彼はコンシューとリナシータを救った。だがホナミはどうだ？
It's funny that the only mention he saved Jizu and Nashita. This is after our memory wife. I think we saved a lot more for the past 1,000 years. So, you know, Roper I built different.
ソラリスには救世主の光が届かない闇が至るところにある。
I mean, 1,000 years ago, I've come to Solaris, and I believe you should know that. I mean, this is just a saying. Gracitek say this simply to find out about Hyuki character, right? That's the point of this whole dialogue. But yeah, technically, Gracitek exists when we arrive in Solaris, at least based on the video. But we said during that scene, I feel like there's something weird with the video, as if we already here before. That's something we're gonna discover in the future. But anyway, moving on.
昨夜の巫女よ、才能あるお前にとってあれがもたらす呪い程度、大した問題ではないかもしれない。
What is the course of the Trenodian or Lamen? I don't think I never heard about this. Leviathan course. I don't know who that is. I don't know the name of the Trenodian in Jinzo. I forgot. Do they have a course?
だが
Or just saying?
持たざる者はどうなる？才能もなく天の恵みも得られなかった弱者は？そのすべての責任をたった一人の救世主に背負わ
Who
せる
said it's a single pair of shoulder? It's a band of companionship across all the region. Yeah, I wonder why we still have no. This whole thing with Lamian and Trenodian happened more than 1,000 years ago, right? Why we still have, at least in Solaris, why they didn't have the united some Lamian force or something that's technically a black sword, I guess, but anyway.
ソラリスには今より多くの救世主が必要だとは思わないか？だからこそ私は名式を利用して救世主を作り出すのだ。
What? What is your goal? I thought the goal was supposed to be advance humanity. I guess by having savior that you've been better human. I don't know.
つまり漂白者が名式の力を利用したよう
What?
なと言いたいのか？
I use it power? When did I use it power?
思考は
What
した
power?
とも。だがフルールドリスの出現は万に一つの偶然に頼るほかなく、ミヤの誕生も結局はレビアタンの妄想に過ぎなかっ
Hyuki,
た。
I don't think Hyuki knows who Mia is, but okay. This is for the player.
最後にリナシータへ現れたあれでさえ、所詮は退屈で空虚な抜け殻。
There's something I wanna see. So Galbrena technically somehow appear in one of the event in 3.1, I think. I assume Galbrena will make appearance in Laheroi. That's my guess at the time. But so far, I don't see any hint of Galbrena. But maybe she will later. We'll see.
だが、お前の協力があれば話は別だ。ひゆき、お前が漂白者のように名式の力を使えば、すべてが変わる。
It's interesting. Just last patch, she just interest in the Miko, and now she know more than Hyuki herself. I guess because I mean, architect present during the event in Honami 30 years ago. I don't know the exact date, but around 30 years ago. My question is this just to make sure just to make sure that Hyuki say something or something, because I believe the plan was still Denia, because of the, again, spoil learning about the weekly boss. I assume it's Denia, right? That's just my assumption. I don't know if it's true or not, the whole thing with Aleph-1 Resonator, because, you know, it makes sense. She weekly boss for some reason, I don't know why yet. Not to mention she be with Pharxidus, and what even, why Denia? I wanna know. Are we gonna learn that from main story, or maybe on the segue during Denia banner? I don't know.
が無様な姿になることはなかった。足の原は真の救世主を迎えられるだろう。
This whole thing with Xavier, I think this also related to what happened with Amiat and us back then in 3.1.
認めざるを得ぬ。その提案には抗いがたい魅力がある。確かにわらわは名式への復讐を望んでおる。そのためには今以上の力
Ah,
が
so that's
必要。
why you go to Lahairoi.
ラハイロイに
Of
とど
all
めて
location,
名
you
式
went to
を切る
Lahairoi,
軽い刃を求めてのこと。
which mean Ashinohara is close in the Frostland. That's my assumption, because again, of all locations, she chose Lahairoi, not Huanglong, not any other place but Lahairoi. I assume because of the proximity. If not, then why would you go to Lahairoi? Of all locations, Lahairoi is maybe because of the technology, I guess. Research Institute seem interesting. I mean, sure.
だが復讐のために人としての尊厳を捨て旧敵と手を組むわけにはいかぬ。
ここホナミは幾千万もの屍が積み重なった廃墟だ。無念のうちに死んでいった者たちに聞いてみるがいい。人としての尊
What
厳が
Gang Architect trying to accomplish here? I wonder.
彼らは
Besides the whole thing
生
with
きていたかったと答えるだろう。
the whole thing with
平成の称号を
Tenodian
破壊する
Resonator.
昨夜の巫女よ。
But I don't think that's
自
the
分の
one.
限界を知ってい
I
る
don't think
はず
that's
だ。
her real reason
数
here.
えきれないほどの失敗を重ね、名式と戦いながらかろうじて足の原を守ってきた。だが、この先はどうだ？
Because who need to become a Savior?
完全な救世主ではない。
You need a multiple people effort than a single person anyway. But
お前が倒れたら、誰が鈴を受け継ぎ、再び孤独な袋小路を歩むというのだ？
Prolova is here. Did you see Prolova? I thought Prolova anyway.
それに、私なら先代の巫女の話もできる。杉氏人の身とはもろく壊れやすい。そこで良い提案があるのだが。
What? Is that it? We learned about her, yes, but that's a cliffhanger ending for the segue. And now I move back to my POV. Okay, okay, sure. Interesting. I feel like I can do that in 1 hour if I didn't talk. But I'm making 3 video for that segue. Hello, Golden Boy. Now that the dark side accident is warped up, managed to rise after the ceremony? Question mark. Things will get busy soon again. I mean, again soon. We'll need to stay focused, but not one up like spring. Stress ready to bed call. I raise up, don't worry. I'm watching you keep POV just now. Good. Said Tris. For all, happy to know my patient actually followed my advice. As for the plan we discussed earlier, there will be a development. Come to my workplace. It's better discuss where the wall don't have ear. I don't think so. The wall has always have ear. and that ear it belonged to Grand Architects apparently. By the way, I obtained clearance for the latest motorbike upgrade. Oh, the flying thing. You should be able to access the latest feature by now. Hope they will make your trip here easier. Wait, I unlock the bike now? Okay, that's right, finally. How do you... Uh-huh. How do you... Well, I just click the mod. Bike. What is this? Fix an issue in the blah blah blah. Could not launch. Oh. Okay, so if I click update, I will go download thing, which I will update now. But so yeah, that's all for this video. I will update this Bonjing. I haven't started obviously. I need to finish my story first to do the event. But yeah, we're gonna continue with Act 5 in the next video. Until next time, bye.